I I've been showing you guys for several weeks now. I talked about triple top 2 weeks ago, and I'm just gonna show you guys where the price was. So I'm not gonna give you crap, as I said. The way a lot of people would like to just give me crap, that's not my intention. Okay, so look where the price was. We were going up, like there was no sign of bearishness yet. But look where my prediction was. And still I'm thinking we can still go lower. Okay. Let's look at the Bitcoin's price right now. I just feel sad. And I'm not really trying to be negative or like, say that I told you so, but all the signs that I've been showing you guys is just for you guys. Okay. You're not, if you make money, it's not gonna to my pocket it's not gonna go to my pocket. Or the opposite. If you lose, it's not going to happen to me, because I've been showing you both scenarios, but I've been showing you the scenario that can happen, like with the highest chance. Okay, I'm still showing this line. I left all of it. Look where the BTC is. What the BTC is doing. I'm sorry, USDT dominance. Like I just can't say anything because right now it's still my scenario one is working out, and this is USDT dominance. And this is the weekly chart, I'm sorry, monthly chart, and we see that support for USDT dominance, and it just keeps going up. And look what happened, exactly hits my target. Ethereum BTC pair, exactly hit my target. And I said that we have a higher chance of hitting this if Bitcoin drops, but Ethereum drops even harder. And if you're not subscribed right now and you haven't hit the notification button, because these are sensitive videos when I'm talking about a lot of scenarios that can happen, and a lot of these have been, I'm repeating this, since we got to this range, I've been telling you guys almost everything that has been happening. Not maybe exactly $2, but I've been warning you guys where we can be rejected, and every time it has been happening. Look what happened again, triple top, right? So now we are going toward 50,000, right? So we were on this candle, this green bullish candle, when I was talking about scenario that can happen for triple top. So this is it, right? And I have the proof of it 2 weeks ago. And make sure to subscribe right now. And thank you guys for your support in the last video. And let's just cover. I'm not telling you that the bull run is over. I'm not telling you. I'm still holding my altcoins. If you guys are in red, in my last video, I asked you guys to comment if you guys are positive on the portfolio, if you have still made money, or if you are down on your portfolio, give me a percentage or amount, whatever you want. So a lot of you guys said that you have lost 35% or whatever percent. A couple of you guys made money still up, which I'm happy for you. So that means you guys really got the lowest price for any coin you have bought. But in general, guys, this movement for BTC did not convince me that we're going to keep going up. I cannot really find any positive thing in the market right now. Not a stock market, not crypto. Just because we have passed halving and we have approved a couple of ETFs for the biggest cryptos out there, that does not mean that everybody are going to just pour their money into crypto and you're just going to watch and just enjoy your portfolio going to hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars. Which that's what I'm wishing for. I'm the same body, I'm not really making anything different. I'm losing money too by holding my alts, I'm on the same page with you. But let's talk about the bullish scenario. Let's not just be negative. But anyways, please like the video, because these videos need to be seen by more people, because I'm not getting close views, I'm not getting enough views that these video gets to more people. So I need your likes right now. And comment down below, share this video with 4 or 5 friends of you, because this have been happening. I already admitted that I was mistaken on considering that $54,000 was going to be the top after the ETF approval. But we went, and I was wrong, and I talked about it, but I have given you the scenarios of bearishness and bullishness when I'm going to be all in, which is above $75,000, which will be out of this range, positively break up from that range that we've been in. But if we go below $48,000, guys, that's going to be game over. We're going to go a lot lower, and that's going to be my 43% that I've been showing you guys. The gap we have, the Ichimoku clap that has not been touched, that will be my next target. If we close, especially daily and weekly candle, below $48,000 or $47,000, around that area. I have to see more details. But right now, BTC did exactly the way I was predicting. I'm not really proud of it. I'm just showing you the possibilities of how people look at the market, always positive, and they're like, oh, there's no way we're going to go down. This is the breakout. This is the last buying opportunity. But there you go. More bloodbath for you. Okay. So right now, the next thing that you guys need to know, if you're asking, okay, what should we do? Should we buy altcoins or not? We had a couple of questions in the comment section under my post that I put a screenshot of Bitcoin after seeing this movement for Bitcoin. And they were asking about, should I buy meme coins? Okay, so meme coins, guys, if we keep going lower, meme coins are not going to survive either. Yes, you can buy for longer term, but when we go back down and all the trend bullishness goes away and all this scary stuff turns around and just comes into play and people get scared, meme coins are not going to save you. Okay, so, but as I said, I'm still holding the altcoins, the micro cap coins with high potential. They have been in a lot of exchanges. We are, with my members, we have been holding those. A lot of them are holding strong, but guess what? If it keeps going down, guys, those are not going to survive either. But we're going to get more discounts, good for us. But we're going to have to wait longer for all of those altcoins to turn bullish and start going higher and give us some returns, right? So for now, it's still $48 to $50,000 is the price I'm looking at. So we can get really sharp down, get to this level, and start going high. Let me just show you with some patterns here so you can see it easier. Now, we can see something like this, okay? Go down, even go down to 48,000. Just have a little bit of sideways and start going higher, okay? And we need to still see breaking out, and this could be what I'm expecting for the bullish scenario, okay? If we hold above $48,000, which my favorite would be more around $52,000. That would be a better, and I would trust it even more to become bullish again, okay? But if this happens, this would be the best opportunity to buy in whatever altcoins you want and then just write it with Bitcoin and you're going to just make a lot of money, okay? But if this does not happen, and I'm going to give you a bearish scenario, even more bearish, this can still happen, guys, okay? Give a fake out and then go even lower, and the next step will be $43,000. And of course, we're going to, get a lot of, support around this area because we had a lot of sideways for a couple of months in here. And then we're going to probably go up and down like this and then boom, even go lower. Okay, that could be the bearish scenario, and that's going to look like a head and shoulder, right? Clearly, you guys can see it. If we look at this area around one shoulder, the top looks like a king crown, and the other one would be around this, and that would be the right shoulder, and then we will go down. And I can cover that even in later videos, how low we can go. So make sure to subscribe so you do not miss any of these videos. So this is what I can see right now, but let's just talk about USDT right now. Again, on the monthly chart, guys, the monthly chart, I showed you guys that this green candle is something I need to watch very closely. We are going so far. I made a video and covered 3 scenarios for USDT dominance. One was going to be very bearish, but that so far is playing out. Okay, we just keep going up for USDT, which is the opposite of Bitcoin. Let's say it works same as the XY. But the other one was going to be the blue one, which we were going to be bullish first because BTC was going to crash in dominance, but Bitcoin and altcoins were going to go and probably make a new all-time high for Bitcoin, and a lot of altcoins were going to pump, but then eventually crash because this line, red line, is the line I'm watching very closely because of this rally base rally, right? And usually the bottom part of this wave is where a lot of support happens when we meet it from the top, which happened here one time. It could have happened again and start going higher, and that will be almost end of our bull run, which can happen several months. But right now we need to watch and see if we are gonna get rejected around this area, around the 6% area, 6% to up to 6 point, even 20%. If we get a monthly candle close below it, we can still be bullish, because that means that we can still close the next monthly, which is September, next month close behind. I can't talk, sorry. We can close it below 5.66%, and we can still go lower, so this blue can still play out, or even yellow one. Yellow one was going to be the super bullish scenario, which USDT was going to go to 2.4%, which will be a lot of money from USDT going to altcoins and Bitcoin, and that was going to be hella bullish for us. But so far, as I said, white is playing out, unfortunately. And Ethereum hit my target, so we need to see. We can still go lower, guys. I just have to warn you guys. We can still go a little bit higher because of this support that we have. You guys see the one in here and a couple of shadows in here, and we get a little bit of support and then go even lower, and the next target will be 0.032 ish. Okay, and that will be worse for Ethereum and of course for altcoins. Usually when Solana or Ethereum goes up in price, a lot of the altcoins that are in that blockchain start going higher in price, right? Because it gives that confidence to the altcoins, and that usually what has been happening for many years. But if we keep going down, guys, altcoins are going to keep bleeding. Now let's just talk about the daily chart for Bitcoin, so we can be more detailed. But if you guys want to look at the RSI is back to the bottom, the lowest level that we started pumping from, almost $53,000. Okay, we will probably get a bounce, but we might see still lower. I am still expecting at least 50,500 to 700-ish be touched, get lower bounce, and then we will touch this. You guys see that these two yellow lines are parallel. Let me get rid of this green, these two green ones, so you don't get confused. So we already got out of it. So if we close this daily candle, which is going to close tomorrow in many hours, we just opened this one in like 4 hours and a half almost. We need to see how we're going to close this daily candle. If we close below this yellow line, guys, I am expecting 50,500 to 700 to be touched, which I'm going to move exactly to that price around this area. And why? You might ask why. If you guys pay attention, I just gave you an example for USDT dominance when we have rally, base, rally. Okay, and usually when you have a red candle out of all these greens, this is the best support you can imagine for any chart. But it has limited strength. Okay, it cannot always support that price. So if we go down to this level, it will be almost top of it. It can still go even lower, down to even $50,000. We can touch that 50,000 or $50,000, 300-ish, and then start going higher, and that will be the best support. We can go sideways for many days. That will be a couple of weeks maybe, and then start going higher, and that would shape up a bigger rally, base rally, which will be this one, rally, base, rally, which will be my point of target, which would be $95,000 area, which when we get there, that's going to be the time, that's going to be the area that we need to watch out for this resistance level. It makes sense. I hope it makes sense for you. But so far, it does not really look bullish Bitcoin. Okay, so if we start going lower, guys, we're gonna make another pattern looking like this. Not exactly, of course, but we're gonna see another one going down because Bitcoin just ran this way too quick, and then it's like, okay, I need to slow down a little bit. So that's why you guys have been bored for over 4 months now. Okay. I'm just trying to be logical here. A lot of people do not want to pay attention to these signs. And comment down below if you guys were a hater. It's okay. You guys can come back. I am opening my hands, arms for you. I will hug you, and it's okay. I made mistakes. You can make mistakes too. But we are a team here. We are a team that we do not see each other in person. We are online, but our goal is the same. We are having the same goal of making money. We get all rich. We have our own freedom in life, and we do not have to work for others. That's why we are investing in crypto, and we are hoping for the best. Okay, so I hope you understand that you do not think that I'm your enemy. Okay, so this is just another update for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like, share this video please with your friends. You have no idea how much you can help these people who do not understand, and just show them what I have told you guys weeks ago on my channel. If I go back to my channel, let me get rid of that. I have talked about all of the scenarios 2 weeks, 12 days ago when we were going higher. Everything was still bullish, but I talked about that triple top. Okay. I hope you have not lost way too much money, but it's okay. We are all on the same page. I hope we will start making money, but this is the situation right now where we cannot ignore it. Be safe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.